Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nasim from nasimrated.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Google Ads conversion tracking for Ninja Form submission. So no more talks, let's get started.
This is actually my demo website and the form is embedded on the contact us page. Okay, now I just want to track it for Google Ads conversion. Okay, so for doing this I will use Google Tag Manager, of course, and your website must have to connect with Google Tag Manager. So you are not connected yet, just simply copy this code and paste in your website head tag, then it will connect it. Okay, and after that I'm going to click on new. First of all, go to preview and let's see what is happening when someone submit that form. Okay, so this is preview mode and you have to input your website URL here and then hit connect, and you can see this website is opening on the directly the contact us page and it's a Google Tag Manager is connected. So that's mean I have successfully installed Google Tag in my website backend. Okay, perfect. So let's submit this form. Test mail and submit. And now here you can see a Ninja Form submit form is available here, and in my last video I have discussed about how you can set up Facebook pixel. So it is one of the pretty same process. Just copy this event name, go to Google Tag and go to new. For making Google Ads conversion, we have to select Google Ads and then Google Ads conversion tracking, and it's recommend to use linker tag. If you want you can create it, but if you want you can skip it. And for this we need a conversion ID. Okay, so let's see how you can find conversion ID. Okay, so you will find this conversion ID on your your Google Ads goal section when you will select the connection method with Google Tag. So I have copy and paste it on our notepad, and this is the Google Ad conversion ID and conversion level. You just need to copy this and paste it your tag box, and again copy the level and go back tag assistant and paste under the conversion value section, and then make the trigger. And trigger, we have to make new trigger, select the custom conversion and copy the name we have got from our tag assistant and paste here, and then save it. Google Ads, just give a meaningful name of your trigger. Okay, so we are done. Now let's save Ninja Form and then save it. So it's done. Now it's time to check. So go to preview again and this website will open again, and here you can see this is our page. Test, again test mail and then submit, and go back, and here you can see our tag is fired. So successfully fired. So now when you have done, then you have to submit and publish this latest version, then it will start working. Thank you.
That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim. I'll see you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.